Hi and welcome back to another video. This is a little quick review for Friday and the first couple of days of this new combine. I'm on combine number 3 this year. Hopefully it's third time lucky. This is how I got along. So 6B is in a bit of a range, and I didn't have any signals for this one today or yesterday, I don't think. But let's just deal with today first. So we're in this range here, and of course, you know, if you'd bought down here and sold up there, that's a good little run up and down and up. But I had no signals for the way I trade, so that was that. YM, there was one. You can see yesterday I took 2 attempts at a long. That's all I had yesterday. One stopped me out, and one made 2.5 times my risk. So I ended up 1.5 times my risk yesterday on the YM. Then this morning at around 11:40 I had a long signal here, right here, and if you don't move your stock to break even, which I'm not going to be doing for the most part using this strategy and my approach that I used last year, I've gone right back to what I was doing last year. You would just leave it and then you'd eventually exit. That was what, 615 I think the entry was, and then you would exit somewhere up here, probably somewhere near here as per the rules. So that was that. And then late in the day there was some fantastic opportunity here, but by then I was winding down for the day. There was a long right here and there was a long right there, and I don't know where I would have got out, but I do know objectively how I would calculate getting out according to my rules. So more than likely I would have bracketed here with fibs and then found the golden mean either here and here, and then because what I'm looking for are pivots, significant pivots, and golden mean, and their derivatives, so 0.618 and 0.382. So I'm just imagining this here. I didn't do it because I didn't get in, but if I bracketed from here to here, they would be around here, and then depending on where I get in and the risk to reward, that's how I would get out of the trade. So more than likely the exit would have been here. Long from here, exit here, long from here, exit there. So there was good opportunity in the YM, but I spent all my time today in 6C from last night, which I shouldn't be doing really. I got long here, took a 1 hour stop in the middle of, I was up till like 2:30 in the morning, which is not ideal, and I need to remind myself not to do that, but that's an exception. So I lost 1 hour here, and then went to bed, got up fairly late, did some bits and pieces, and then found an opportunity right here at 93 at 0.7493 right here, and exited according to the rules here, which was rather fortunate, and made I don't remember exactly how much that was. Let me just check. I'll pause the video. That was that was 1 point plus 1.2 times my risk. So -1 plus 1.2. Then got in down here and got out for, I'm just looking across to my other screen, that was plus 1.8. And then finally got in here, held this for 4 hours, over 4 hours. Obviously not sitting here watching it, going off and doing bits and pieces, having dinner and so on and so forth. It bounced against, it got as high as, I think the entry was 83, yeah, and it got as high as 90.5. So that's 7.5. So it had a mass favorable excursion of 1.5. So a good, for my current hit rate, a good return on the risk. But I was expecting more, and alas, it didn't happen. So at the end of the day, just after 10 o'clock here, just after 9 o'clock here, because we've got the discrepancy between US time and Central European time and British time at the moment. Next week we'll go back to our usual. Eastern will be GMT or BST, whatever you want to call it, British time -5, or Central European time -6. Right now it's Central European -5 because of the changeover to the summertime. So after 9 today, which was the market close, which as of next week will be after 10 here in Italy, I came up and then exited according to the rules. Like, I'm just like a broken record. Like, all I'm doing is following my rules. Simple, straightforward, require you to hang back and hold on when it's time. Hang back when you know, sit on your hands for the vast majority of the time, and then enter when the market tells you to, and manage according to the system. So I came out of that one with 0.3 plus 0.3. So if you do the math, what's that? 1.5, 2.5, 3, 3.3 minus 1, 2 plus 2.2 today on this market, including last night. If I had just skipped last night, then that would be plus 3.2. So I'm not going to do any more nighttime trading, or at least I'm going to try not to. In general, I'm sure I will here and there, but I'm going to keep it mostly in the period of the day with highest volume. That, for me, that means starting from about here, 7 o'clock, which will be 8 o'clock from next week, and then we see how we go from there. Oh, and by the way, next week I'm on my way to, my family and I are going to London on Thursday. So from Thursday next week till the next Thursday, like the 4th of April or something, we'll be in London. So I probably won't even touch a chart in all of that time. I shouldn't really, because I've got stuff to do there, and I'm just want to kick back and enjoy a week off, 8 days off. So next week's going to be a short week. It'll be Monday, Tuesday, and I believe Wednesday as well. I'll check the flight, what time it is. But I should be able to trade Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So yeah, that's it for now. I think I will just throw this video out there raw, and I hope everyone has a good and restful weekend, and I'll catch you all again probably on Monday. Bye for now.